Recent acquisitions are likely to boost the company's third quarter performance. Brokerages too are expecting the IT bellwether to raise their FY20 guidance. Agam Merkili is standing by with what the street is anticipating.
In what is a seasonally weak quarter for the Indian IT sector, Infosys is expected to report steady earnings. Start off with your dollar revenues. We're likely to see an uptick of around 1.4% sequentially. Those in rupee terms likely to see an uptick of around 2.4%. We're also expecting EBIT to grow by nearly 5%, where that would mean that margins could expand to around 22.2% against 21.1%. Consequently, profits are likely to rise nearly 4% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Now, in terms of the growth, we are expecting, extended furloughs to keep growth in check. However, we must remember that because of the fact that the company has made a lot of acquisitions in the year, that will likely aid their year-on-year constant currency growth, which is expected to stand around 9%. Well, moving on, there could be some amount of slackness when it comes to the banking and financial sector. However, we could also see some strength when it comes to the insurance vertical. Moving on to operating margins, we're expecting an overall expansion, and the reason here is one, because of the weaker rupee. Secondly, of course, because of the cost efficiency measures that the company has taken up. However, what may work against margins is also the fact that, subcontractor costs remain elevated, as has been the case over the last 4 quarters, and employee costs will likely increase because of an increased hiring, considering the company has taken up a lot of large deal wins. Well, moving on to guidance, we are expecting an upward revision of the guidance, which currently stands at around 9 to 10% for the current financial year. Also, the current guidance for the operating margin stands at around 21 to 23%. Moving on, among the most important factors to watch out for will be, the update on the whistleblower allegations, investigations, and perhaps more importantly, we're keeping an eye on the banking and financial sector and the kind of client spending that the company is witnessing at this point in time, considering there has been a lot of volatility in this aspect. But on the whole, we're expecting a steady quarter for Infosys.